What if a 1950s truck could transform into a rolling luxury lounge, capable of hauling, touring, and turning heads all at once? Imagine a vehicle that combined the brute strength of a commercial hauler with the comfort of a custom-built motor coach. In an era dominated by chrome-laden sedans and utilitarian trucks, one machine quietly blurred the line between workhorse and wanderer. This is the story of the 1954 Chevrolet COE Tourliner, a rare and fascinating creation that redefined what a truck-based vehicle could be, decades before modern RVs and tour buses became mainstream. The Chevrolet COE Tourliner was born from a bold idea: maximize space, efficiency, and versatility by rethinking the traditional truck layout. COE stands for cab over engine, a design where the driver sits above the engine rather than behind it. This configuration allowed for a shorter overall length while maintaining a long, usable body, perfect for conversions like mobile living spaces or touring coaches. Unlike typical trucks of the 1950s, which prioritized cargo hauling, the Tourliner embraced multi-purpose functionality. Its creators envisioned a vehicle that could transport people comfortably over long distances while still retaining the rugged capability of a commercial chassis. It was, in many ways, a precursor to modern motorhomes and luxury tour buses. At its core, the 1954 Tourliner was built on a Chevrolet medium-duty COE truck chassis designed for durability and heavy loads. These platforms were commonly used for delivery trucks, fire engines, and industrial applications, making them ideal for custom conversions. The ladder frame chassis provided exceptional structural strength, allowing coach builders to construct extended bodies without compromising integrity. The forward control layout also distributed weight more evenly across the axles, improving stability under load. What made the Tourliner special was the integration of custom coach building techniques with factory engineering. Builders had to carefully adapt the chassis to support passenger-focused features, windows, seating, insulation, while maintaining the mechanical reliability expected from a commercial truck. The cab-over-engine layout wasn't just about space, it also influenced the Tourliner's driving dynamics. With the driver positioned above the front axle, visibility was significantly improved, offering a commanding view of the road. This was particularly useful for long-distance touring and navigating tight urban environments. The drivetrain typically featured a rear-wheel drive configuration, optimized for hauling and stability. Leaf spring suspension, standard for trucks of the era, provided durability but required careful tuning in conversion models to ensure passenger comfort. Another interesting aspect was weight distribution. By placing the engine beneath the cab and extending the body rearward, the Tourliner achieved a balanced load profile, crucial for maintaining control and safety, especially when fully loaded with passengers or equipment. Originally, the 1954 Chevrolet COE models were powered by Chevrolet's reliable inline-six engines, known for their simplicity and durability rather than outright speed. These engines delivered steady torque, ideal for moving heavy vehicles over long distances. Performance was modest by modern standards, but reliability was the true strength. Many of these engines could run for hundreds of thousands of miles with proper maintenance. Over time, some Tourliner conversions received upgrades including more powerful V8 engines or improved transmissions enhancing drivability and highway performance. These modifications extended the vehicle's usability well into later decades, allowing it to adapt to evolving road conditions and travel expectations while maintaining its original character. The Tourliner's body was where practicality met creativity. Coach builders often used a combination of steel framing and aluminum or fiberglass panels to construct the extended body, balancing strength with weight savings. Large windows were a defining feature, flooding the interior with natural light and enhancing the touring experience. Inside, layouts varied depending on the intended use. Some were outfitted with rows of comfortable seats for group travel, while others featured lounge-style interiors with sofas, tables, and even sleeping quarters. The design emphasized comfort and adaptability, transforming a rugged truck into a welcoming space. It was less about luxury in the traditional sense and more about creating a functional, livable environment on wheels. In real-world use, the Tourliner served a variety of roles. Some were used as mobile tour buses for small groups, offering a unique alternative to conventional coaches. Others functioned as promotional vehicles, traveling exhibitions, or even early motorhomes for adventurous families. Its truck-based foundation meant it could handle long journeys and rougher roads better than many passenger vehicles of the time. However, driving it required skill. Its size, weight, and truck-like handling made it very different from a standard car. Despite these challenges, the Tourliner proved its versatility. It was a vehicle that could adapt to different needs, embodying the spirit of exploration and innovation that defined mid-century automotive culture. Due to their custom-built nature, very few Chevrolet COE Tourliners have survived intact. Many were heavily modified over the years or scrapped as newer, more efficient vehicles replaced them. However, a handful of preserved examples still exist, often restored by enthusiasts who recognize their historical value. These restorations can be complex, requiring a blend of mechanical expertise and craftsmanship to recreate original interiors and bodywork. Today, surviving Tourliners occasionally appear at classic truck shows and vintage vehicle exhibitions. Shall they draw attention for their unusual design and rarity? They stand as rolling pieces of history representing a unique chapter in automotive experimentation. The 1954 Chevrolet COE Tourliner may not be widely known, but its influence is undeniable. It helped pave the way for modern motorhomes, camper vans, and custom touring vehicles by demonstrating how a commercial chassis could be transformed into a comfortable travel platform. Its cab-over design also foreshadowed trends seen in later delivery trucks and international transport vehicles, where maximizing space became a priority. More importantly, the Tourliner represents a mindset, one that values creativity, adaptability, and the blending of function with lifestyle. It reminds us that innovation often happens at the edges, where conventional categories are challenged and reimagined. The Chevrolet COE Tourliner isn't just a vehicle. It's a vision on wheels, a bold experiment that quietly anticipated the future of travel. It took the toughness of a truck and infused it with the spirit of adventure, creating something truly ahead of its time. If you enjoyed exploring this rare automotive gem, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Would you take a road trip in a machine like this? Let us know, and stay tuned for more incredible stories from the hidden corners of automotive history.